gonna follow this guy down the mountain. Oh, gotta turn my car though. Alright, I'm gonna follow you, my guy. Let's get it. I'm ready. You go. Prepare to be pelted, as I say to myself. Alright, bet. Yeah? To the right? Alright, let's check it out. See what's cracking. Ground looks a little loose here. Holy moly, look at that view. Thank God for my radiator guards. The rocks are probably like slamming into it. This look, oh, fucking honked my horn. Damn, beautiful trees over here. Oh, pelt, pelt, pelt. Damn, look at that. Whew. Now that is a magnificent view. Holy shit. Alright, is this going somewhere else? Like a different exit? Oh, okay. It seems like we're going down. This side of the mountain has got not so good roads. Yeah. Take it slow. Definitely. You're gonna like low side into a fucking corner. Oh, I see. Just loop de loops around. I bet. You ready? It's your turn to go fast. I'm gonna stay in third gear. Yeah, of course, of course. Yeah. Still putting the angle on it though. Revy rev, baby. Alright, there's too many blind corners there. You can see a little bit better. Porsche, he's definitely ripping it through this. pelted. Yeah. Yeah. We're cruising, we're chilling. We don't gotta go too fast. We're all afraid. Like what they said in the quote you were saying earlier from Lord of the Rings. How did it go again? I see in your eyes. Ah, that's funny. There's a rock, right? Singular large rock in the middle of the road. Decently sized rock. Holy balls. Blind corner. I had to slow down. A lot of can't see shit around these corners. Oh, I got pelted. That one hurt. Right in my chest. Right in my chest. There we go. We're at the end. I'm taking a left, yeah? Clear? Alright, I bet. Now this one you can see a little better. Oh baby, that's beautiful. Oh, there's a fucking tractor on the road. But we're skipping this. Oh yeah, putting the angle on the bike, bro. Alright. I was like, let me give you some room for this. Just in case we got a break. Iceman RV. Interesting, interesting. Gives us some time to enjoy the scenery a little bit. Look at this, beautiful. Look at these roads, man. Damn, the exhaust sounds beautiful, man. I could take multiple runs of this road, honestly. Oh, this one. This is one. Nice. You gotta use the bathroom. I wonder if they charge right now. There's a guy in there? No, it doesn't look like it.